always wanted to inspire through my career and what I brought to the table. This is my hometown, so it's amazing to come back and have Unisus be a landmark here and be able to grow these academies and sports schools. When you see the scholar athlete profile, a lot of times there's motivation for both. If they're motivated to excel and they are excited and they're motivated by sport, they're often motivated to do well in their academics as well. They tend to go hand in hand. And if you can create and support that structure with high-level teachers, programming, and high-level coaches and programming on both sides, I believe that the motivation and the acceleration will be a lot greater. One of the unique things about Unisus is being able to partner with KR Academy and bringing athletes up to Apex. So splitting their day, busing them up to Apex, accessing the facilities there, and then during events or things like that, we can also access all the other close by resorts. And the exciting thing about this program is that the curriculum and the timetables will be built to support both athletics and academics. And it'll just feel like kind of one integrated system. So that way you're going to get a lot of contact hours, both in school and up at the Hill. So it'll be very exciting. And then on the weekend, if you'd like more, then you can enroll in some more programs there. Of course, in the Okanagan Valley, we have snow 4 to 5 months a year. So in all of the other months of the year during the curriculum, there's so many more elements to our sport. So trampoline, dryland, so that's your sport, strength and conditioning, nutrition, sports psychology seminars, even everything from your social media and your branding as an athlete. All of these things are really important and will be integrated into the whole curriculum and timetable for Unisus. A lot of times as an athlete, your goal, of course, is to win. And you realize this the older you get and the more you're in sport. The goal is truly in the process, in the things that you learn every day. What can you see, experience? What can you learn? What can you grow from every single day through the lens and through the avenue of sport? What we want to do here is create balanced athletes, balanced kids. So I think both sides, academics and sports, are just as important for sure, and they do feed off of each other. I think that was one thing that I wish I had support in. If this existed when I was an athlete going through the ranks, it would have changed my world.